If you're a car enthusiast on TikTok, you've probably seen people who have interior setups like this. But you can't just buy a steering wheel and slap it on. My name's Thomas from D&D, and here is everything you need to run an aftermarket steering wheel. First, let's take a look at your steering wheel. After you take it off, you will see your steering column spline. To be able to mount an aftermarket steering wheel, you will need a car-specific hub. As you can see in the center of the car-specific hub, it lines up with the steering column spline of your vehicle, and it gives you the mounting points to bolt on the aftermarket steering wheel as well. Now, one thing that you should know about car-specific hubs is that they are specifically made for a specific car, given by the name. On top of that, not all aftermarket steering wheels run the same bolt pattern, but most aftermarket steering wheels like ours typically have a bolt pattern of 6x70. But if you're looking for a car-specific hub that gives you the flexibility to have both bolt patterns, such as 6x70 and 6x74, D&D's car-specific hub has both bolt patterns. Anyways, now that our product plug is over, let's look into see what you'll be needing next. The second thing that you'll need is a quick release. However, this part is actually completely optional. You don't necessarily need this to run an aftermarket steering wheel because you already have the car-specific hub with the bolt pattern, but if you are running bucket seats, you may find it more convenient to take off the steering wheel to get in and out of the car. It also makes for a safety feature to quickly remove the wheel to evacuate the vehicle quicker in the case of an accident. Also, if you don't have an adjustable steering column that allows you to move your steering wheel position forward, back, or up and down, you may find this being extremely helpful in bringing it closer to you as well. And now you may choose whatever steering wheel your heart desires. Once again, just make sure that the bolt patterns do match with the car-specific hub. And that is it. So I'll see you guys on the next one.